everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you the perfect booties I got for this fall and winter. They are these by TRENDSUP. I've been loving everything about it. I love the colors I have here. I have the khaki poo color and the olive one. They are beautiful, and I promise you are gonna love how well these go with either skirts, dresses, or jeans. I love the material of these boots. I really love how these boots are so trendy. They are so modern and so comfy. These are the 7.5 size. They are true to size. I really like the heel. This is a chunky block heel, which makes it super comfortable for me to wear all day. And the size of the heel, the height is 3.5 inches. So if you're looking for an everyday, modern, stylish booties, definitely check these out by TRENDSUP. I love everything about it. You're gonna like too that they have this little zipper, which makes it super easy for you to put on. So if you're looking for something trendy, high quality, and reasonable at their price, definitely check these out. And that is my point of view.